foreign key relationship. Okay, we will see one primary key and foreign key relation. Okay, sorry guys, let me record session for you. Now I'll ask you a question. Please understand this concept very clearly, guys. See, guys, now concept is, for example, there is a college, Nana. There is a college. Okay, this is a college. Can you someone please give me a college name? Any college name? Anyone give me some name, Nana. So for example, I am saying JNTU, JNTU, Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad. Okay. Now what I will do is, for example, Shaurya joined in this college. Shaurya joined in this college. How Shaurya will join in this college, Nana? For example, in this college, we have some departments like a triple E department, okay, computers, mechanical, okay, civil, computers, okay, AI, different departments. We have different departments in this university or in this college. Now Saurya want to join in this mechanical. For example, he want to join in mechanical department, MEC, mech department. Okay, what is the process? See, for example, he want to sit in this class, Nana. He want to directly sit in this class, mechanical class. What is the process? Can anyone say me what is the process? No, I love wrong answers, guys. But still, he want to sit in this class, guys. He want to sit in this class in this college. He want to sit in this class. What is the process? Generally, what he will do? He will come to this college. Correct? He will come to this college. In this college there will be some administrative block will be there. In this block he will take admission, Nana. He will take admission. Once he takes admission only, he will be allowed inside this class. Is this the correct one or wrong? Can he directly go and sit in this class? Can he directly go and sit in this class? Is it possible without taking any admission? No, right. So what I am saying is now I am going to create a tables like this. Now I am going to create a table like this. This is my college table. This is my college table. Under this college table, see, this is my college table. College table. This is my department table. This is my department table. Multiple departments. I can create a multiple departments. The whoever student is taken admission in this college, whoever student is taken admission in this college, only that students will be allowed inside this class. Sorry, allowed inside this classes. Means like tables. Okay, for example, if my student ID is 100 to 99, 100 to 99 students, 999 students. Only the students in between this, what we say, only the students between 1 to 999 only will be allowed inside this no department tables. Below this 100 or after this 100, the students will not get allowed. Okay, this is called a primary key field. This is called a primary key field. This is called a foreign key, guys. This is called a foreign key. If a student has taken admission in the college table only, he will be allowed inside these tables. Or let me show you practically, guys. Now let me close all the screens from my previous classes. Okay, SC11, guys. SC11. See, now I'll create a COL college table, some college table, guys. College table. Okay, delivery class. I am creating a maintenance restriction is allowed. Field names is this. Let me create some fields, guys. Mandate student ID, STU ID, STU ID. Do we have any student ID? No student STU. We have some student ID, guys, with different name. Okay, STUD name, else a name. Okay, yeah, some name. Okay, next one is age, nana. ZEH. Okay, age. Okay, now I'll give gender also, guys. Now you see gender. Okay, gender I will create my own gender, guys. I will create my own data element in the gender. My own data element _1. Okay, there is no _1 gender. Okay, my data element. I am creating my own data element now. In this gender, what I will do is I will create a fixed values now. Fixed values. What are those fixed values? If it is M means male. If it is F means female. I will create two genders. Okay. See, double click on this gender. Click on S local object. If you want, if you have package, you can store it. Save. See gender. Gender. Here I will say gender. Here gender _1. Same name. I'm giving the same name which has no data element. Double click on this gender. See, click on save, nana. See, here I will say gender. Gender. Here what I will do, gender I will take only one character, nana. Gender I am taking only one character. Only one character. Up to here we have seen. Okay, gender I will take only whether male or F means female, M means male, nana. F means female, M means male. So now what I will do is, previously we have activated, right? Now I'll go to this value range. I will go to this value range table, this tab. I will go to this value range tab. Here I will write like this, Nana. Here I will write like this. Select fixed values, Nana. Fixed single values. Select a range. Select a gender. See, M means male. F. Okay, until female. Female. Like this. I have maintained these fixed values now. I have maintained these fixed values. Let's see what will happen. Activate. See, errors occurred. Fixed values like okay. Maximum. See, we have given single now. Maximum length as 1, right? So we have to give single value only here. Okay. Activate. You understood why we got error? See, in this we have given only single. Na character is equals to single. Here the values also has to be single only. M means male, female. F means female. Activate. Your domain is activated. Go back. Now field labels. Now you give the same labels here. Activate. Go back. See like this. Now phone number. Nana. Phone number. Phone number. See phone number. Something characters. Okay. And you can add more number of fields. Your height, weight, something different. Your blood group. All these things you can add. Okay. Now let me go to technical settings. Let me add address also. Some address. Okay. Now go to technical settings. Give delivery data class. APPL0. Give the size. I will give as a 1. Activate. Save this one. Go back. Activate, guys. Go back and activate. See some errors. I am getting some errors. Let's see what is that. Field address does not have preceding length of type n. Okay. Addresses _1. Let's see. Do we have any fields with address? Yeah, this one I will take address 1. Okay, which has only 12 characters. Okay, this is fine. Okay. Now go to technical settings. Everything is saved. APPL0 save. And now let me activate. See, it will get activated. See, my table is getting activated. Now let me create entries, guys. Let me create entries which you already know till here. I will say 100. I'll say 1000, Nana. Student name is Mahesh.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, what was that earlier error in the address?
the length is too big because its address one is what is this? It's too big, the length. So system
Okay,
is
sir.
saying decrease the length. That is not okay. That is the reason I have decreased the length to 12, which is a smaller size. That is almost 3000 length. So it is asking to decrease the length. Okay, click on this one. Remove this 1000. Name as Mahesh. Age as some 20. See here, gender you see, Nana. Gender. See, if I click on this F4, no. See, automatically this fields from where I am getting this one. Na? Anyone can find out from where I am getting all these fields. Yeah, in the domain value we have got. Yeah, we have maintained there. We maintain there, Nana. If you try to give some X also, it will not accept, Nana. See, no results found. It will not accept. So always we have to give the values which we have written, we have maintained there. We have to give the values which we have maintained there. Phone number is some 5252 something. Address is from Hyderabad. Some Hyderabad. Just click on save now. See now my data got record saved successfully. See my record got saved successfully. See my 1000. In the same way, let me create one more record. Let me create one more record. See, create entries. Click on this. I will say 1001. Here I will say Praveen. Praveen, some age is some 20. College students, Nana. So age will be some. I'll give mail. Phone number is equals to something. Is from Mumbai. Now click on save. See, data is saving. Now in this table, how many records are there? In this table, how many records are there, Nana? Two students are there. Only two students are there. Now now what I did, Nana, I have created a college table. Means I have created some entries in the college table. Now I will create one department table, Nana. I will create one mechanical department. I will create one another table, Nana. I am going to create one more table that is known as SC11. See here I will say MEC department table, mechanical department table. Click on create MECH mechanical department table, delivery class A. See, as per our discussion, whoever is there in the college table, only that entries should accept. Only that entry should accept, Nana. Only that particular entries only this table should accept. Correct? See, now what I will do is here as usual mandate. Now next one is here the student ID, Nana. Student ID. The same student ID. I will give the same student ID. The name can also be different, Nana. Always the relationship should be has to be between the data, not on the names. Okay, this is student ID. This is student ID. Now I'll say college ID or department ID. I'll say department DEPT ID. For every department, there will be one ID, Nana. My department number is 046. Sorry, 05 is my department number. When I am studying department ID, DEPT. Okay, department Z. Let me try. Do we have anything? Let me remove all this characters. Someone has done an enhancement, so it is coming by default. See, department. I'll say department number, guys. This one is a department number. See, department number. I got department number. Some student, some different student number. Give me some names, guys. Name, or I will say in this department date of joining, or I'll say DOJ date of joining. Just date, some date none, some date field. Like this, you can add some more fields from this table. You can add some more extra fields from this table, like class teacher number or emergency contact number, EMG contact number, ZEMCONT contact number. I'll say Z this star judge contact number. Let me try this one. The contact number, I'll give this one, judge contact something. Okay, like this I have created one table. No, like this I have created one table. Now how to give the relationship, how to give the relationship between those two tables. See Nana, see I have created, one second, let me activate this one. Yeah, department table. See, I created this college table and I created this one. Now I want to give relationship, Nana. I want to give the relationship between these two tables. How to give? Because what I told in the first point, whoever has taken admission in this college, only that particular people only should be allowed in this table. Yeah. See, now what I will do, you have to select your student ID field, this field. Here we have a foreign key. Here we have a foreign key, the table called foreign key. Nana. Click on this foreign key. Click on this foreign key. See, click on this foreign key. See, here you will find a check table. See, you can give the relationship. Let your relationship between someone is trying to join. Okay. Okay, relationship between college and department. College and department. Here you will give the relationship, which table name, Nana? Your college table name. You have to give your college table name. See, remember the name, Nana. Check. This is a check table. This is a check table, Nana. Click on create proposal. System automatically will generate a request on these two fields, Nana. Student from this college table, student ID, from the foreign key, student ID. There is a relationship. Okay, cardinality. One is how many entries? One student should have how many? See, you have taken a admission in one in a college. You will be assigned to a department with another table. Cardinality. 1:1 or 1:n or 1:m, like this, different one. This is called cardinality, Nana. Cardinality. Okay. See, now give the check table name here. Create a proposal. You can specify the cardinality, or if you don't specify cardinality also, it's fine. For check table, copy. See, now the foreign key is applied. The foreign key is applied, Nana. Now you activate this table. Now you activate this table. Now what will happen is, go to table contents, create entries. Now you see, if I try to give 2000, do I have a student number of 2000 in my college table? Do I have 2000 in my college table?
No.
Now it should accept or not? Will it accept or not? If I try to create a 05, date of joining is something today, date of joining is something today, and emergency contact number is this. If I try to click on save, see what is the message you are getting. Entry 2000 does not exist in this table. Entry 2000 does not exist in this table, means that is the meaning now. See, for example, Rahul has taken admission, Nana, in a college. Okay, after few days he says my friend is there, I am a very close to him. Without taking his admission, will he allowed to take his friend along with him and sit in the same class? No, right? There will be having some rules and restrictions. So whoever has taken a admission, guys, let me take this 1000. This person has taken admission, 1000 has taken admission. Now if you click on save, system will allow, Nana. System will allow. See, data record saved successfully. Now if you see the record, this is the one. See, system will allow whoever the student has taken admission in the college table, means whoever the entries are maintained in the college table, only that particular entries will be allowed in the foreign key tables. Are we clear, everyone? Hello.
Yes.
Clear? See, Nana, see here we have two types of entries. Very important interview question. Here there is a important interview question, Nana. what is check table and domain value table? Question is very important. Check table and value table. Value table. The interview question is what is check table and this one value table. First one is first difference is check table is at a data element level. Okay, second one is value table, Nana. Value table is domain level. This is the first difference. Let me show you the first difference, Nana. Check table is at the data element level. See here, if I click on this one, click on this foreign key relationship. Here you see check table. From where I am giving, Nana, from data element level. See, from through the data element I am giving the validation. See, this is the value. This is the validations. Okay, check table is used to validate. Second point number 2. Check table is used to validate while entering data into table. While entering the data into the table, it will validate it whether the data is valid or not. Correct or no? See, it is validating. No, if I am trying to give 2000, it is not accepting, Nana. Where is this entry level? See, if I give 2000, is it accepting? No, right? See, here we have check table. See, if you click on this one, check table. No, it will not allow you, guys. It will not allow you. It will not allow you, Nana. 1 second. Okay, it will not allow you. You understood what is a check table? It's a table level entry restriction, Nana. Table level entry restriction. Table level entry restriction. Are we clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, in the same way, double click on this data element. See, in the domain, go to this domain, Nana. Here in the value range, here you will find this value table, Nana. Value table. Value table is restriction from where, Nana? Value table is at where? At the domain level. Value table is a domain level. Value table. Where we are going to use this? Where we are going to use this value table concept? Where are we going to use this value table concept, Nana? See, where I am going to use this value table is while entering the fields. See, give me a second, guys. See, value table where I will be using this is SC38 jet test parameter something demo something. Okay, if you click on create, see test executable program, save this one. See here what I will do is parameter p student id type. Here what I will do is I will give the domain, Nana. Here I will give the domain. 1 second. Here what I will give, this is my domain, right? I will give this domain here. This I am giving my domain here. Activate. See, am I getting anything here? No, right? Now what I will do is I will try to give in this domain. No, I will give my value table, Nana, my check table. See, this table, I will give this table, Nana. I will give this table as a validation. This table. This is a domain level validation, Nana. Domain level validation. Errors occurred. Address. Okay. Second, because of this size, length, and all, no, it is not accepting. Let me show you in the standard table SC11. Let me go to KNA1 table. If you see Kunnar, see domain level. See here we will be having this Kunnar, KNA1. You'll be having this Kunnar. See, for example, one second. Let me show you this. God. Let me go to this college table again. Let me try to give it here. Okay, now you see, guys. Let me activate this one. Yeah, it got activated already. Now let me activate this. Execute. See, if I give 2000, we want to validate now. See, this one, what it will do is, one second. Let me put this table here. Let me put this table here and the data element. Okay, promising student ID. Sorry, this name. We have to give this name. We have to give. Okay, one second. This demo, how to do is. One second. I want to say match code concept before this. Match code concept. See, I'll just show you this one. You should get like this. See this one. These values are coming from, you know, your variable table. Anna. This one, this values, the whatever the values you are entering, no, these options you are getting from what we say from your value table. This one I want to explain you after search help, Nana. Okay, I will park this issue for time being. Once we complete this search help, no, I will explain you this value table also there only this search help. After this search help, I will explain you that value table. Please remind me, guys. Please remind me. Okay. Once after completion of this search help, no, please remind me. Okay. I want to show you value table. Is it clear, everyone? But you understood what is check table? See, value table, no, it will do restriction here, no, in the reports. If you want to enter some value, here, SC38, if you want to enter some value here, it will do restriction here. It will do automatically. It will allow you. It will say this value is not available in that table. It will allow you, guys. It will restrict you. If you are trying to access the wrong number, it will say this number is not available like that. Okay, like this. It will show you this restriction now. This restriction. Okay, I will discuss this value table concept after search help, guys. After search help discussion means tomorrow. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss about search help and we will complete it. Till here, it's clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, we have one more concept, Nana, in the value table, ranges. See, in the domain level, we will be having a ranges. See, intervals. You need to add the values. You need to enter the limit. Some 1 to 100 means in the table level, it will allow only between 1 to 100 only. See, whatever the ranges you are giving, the number range also for this one, which will allow only in that ranges only. You please try this in the homework. If I say 1 to 100, it will allow between 1 to 100 only in this number, particularly in this one. Okay, try this in your homework, guys. Okay. Next one you see, next concept is TMG, guys. Next concept is TMG. Very, 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 very important. Next concept is TMG, Nana. TMG. It is called table maintenance generator. It is called table maintenance generator. Table maintenance generator. See guys, generally, why we are developing a program, why we are creating a table. Okay, always keep in mind, guys. Always keep that in mind. Like it is going to use by the end user. See, whatever the program you are writing, whatever the table you are creating, finally who is going to use Nana? End user. The finally end user is going to use that project Nana. Whatever the program, whatever this table, we are not going to create this for fun, right? This is used by the administrative. But the person who is going to create is a software engineer. This one we are going to develop Nana. Developer is going to develop. But who is going to use this one? Who is going to use this one, Nana? End users. End users will be going to use Nana. End user is nothing but layman. End user is nothing but a layman. He don't know anything, Nana. He don't know anything. For example, in your phone there is a WhatsApp application is there. Who developed that application? Some engineer has developed. Some software engineer has developed. I don't know anything about WhatsApp, guys. I know how to use it. That's it. While opening WhatsApp, if something displays now, I don't know what to do. Correct or not? For example, you are playing some game, Nana. You are playing some game. In the middle, if some program opens, what you will do? You will get scared. Simply, you will get scared. But something has happened. My software got crashed. This is how doubts you will get it, right? This is how doubts you will get it. See, the application, whoever the program is going to use, no, they are called laymen. They don't know anything. They know how to use that application. That's it. For example, I'm a layman for this paint, Nana. I'm a layman for this paint. Actually, what they told the person who has trained me, he told if you click on this, you can edit something. You can write something. Okay, if you want something, if you want to erase something, you can do like this. When I am doing something, if any program appears here, the background program is appearing here, I'll get scared, guys. Something has happened. Immediately, what I will do, I'll close this one. I'll close this one. Correct? I'm a layman. I'm a layman for this paint application, Nana. I'm a layman. So like this, the table which you have created, if you give to the layman, you have to say like this: go to SC11 transaction. Here you will find so many radio buttons. Okay, you give your table name, this one, Z college table. You click on change. Go, you will get like this. Go to utilities. Here you will find table contents. Click on this create entries. See, you will get like this. You have to give values like this 1002. I will say Kavya. Okay, age is some 20. So this one I will give as a female. Okay, phone number is something. Okay, from Mumbai. If I click on save, you have to save like this. See, the data will get saved. After that, you have to click on this reset button. This will become too much for the layman case. This one will become too much for the layman. If you want to click on back, okay, go to this contents option. No, they will not do all these many steps. They will not follow, guys. They will do mistakes. They will do lot of mistakes. Trust me, they will do lot of mistakes, guys. Because I was being a part of end user trainings. They will ask you so many questions which you don't even think also. They will ask you, the questions how they will be there. Why this option table contents is under this utilities? Why can't I move to go to? So many questions. We can't explain them. This is a fixed one. See, this is given by SAP, right? They will ask you to change it to here. I want in the tables, or I want somewhere here. They will ask you so many questions. It will be hell. Trust me, it will be. They will ask you, when you are doing this end user training. Oh my God, they will ask so many questions, guys. Trust me. I was being part of their training also. They will ask you so many questions. So to avoid that, and they will do mistakes also. Even after explaining for very very long hours, still they will do mistakes, guys. For that, what we will do is to make them easier. We will create a TMG, guys. We will make a TMG, table maintenance generator. table maintenance generator. Very, very, very important concept, guys. Pakka interview question. Pakka. Okay. They will ask you the steps, how you will create a TMG. So many things they will ask you so many things in TMG, guys. So many things. But I will explain you a flow. Then you can answer any question, guys. I will just show you the flow, guys. If they ask you anything in that flow, you can ask. If you understand the flow, you can answer TMG concept very easily, guys. Okay. See, first thing is you need to activate your table. The table has to be activated. Now go to utilities. Here you will find TMG, table maintenance generator. Here you will find table maintenance generator. Click on this table maintenance generator. This screen will get open. This screen will get open. Here you see authorization group. Authorization group. What is authorization group? First question. What is authorization group? Authorization group is nothing but, see, your user ID, your user ID, your user ID. See, your user ID. Your user ID has to be assigned to a particular group. Means a group of people who can access this table. It's a group of people. For example, this is a college table, Nana. This is a college table. College table means only administrative team, only the person who are in administrative block, only the people who are in administrative block will be able to access this table. You understood? Your class teacher will be able to access this table? No. Class teacher will be having access to your department table only, not college table. You understood? For the people who has authorization, see, in the authorization group, this authorization group will be given by the security consultant, guys. Security consultant. Okay, which people has to be accessed. So SAP has given a default access key, that is NC. This is the default one. Everyone can access this one. Okay, default one is this. See, this is the authorization group. See, only AB, PA, user control. These are the authorization groups. You can use anyone. If you use this one, some basis, only basis people will be able to access. The people who has authorization roles for this group, only they can access. Okay, now function group, you give the same name of your table. Okay, here we have one step and two step, Nana. Here we have one step and two step. First we will see one step. Okay. See here what we did, Nana. We have given authorization group, function group, and authorization on the maintenance type as one step. Now find screen number. Click on this find screen number. Create, Nana. Just click on create. See, click on multiple enters. System will be generate a program for you, guys. System will generate a program for you. See, request completed successfully. Now you go back. See, now you go back. Now you go to SM80, guys. Yes, SE80. Why we have to go to SE80 is, see, here we have to go to function group. In the function group, you have to create your table name, Nana. Your table name. See, this is the program created by SAP. SAP has generated. Just right click here, activate. Just right click here, activate. See, it will activate, Nana. Now after activation, go to SM30. Go to SM30, click on enter. Now you click on edit. Now this is the functional training, Nana. The end user. The end user will go directly like this. SM30, he will go SM30. Enter. You give the table name, Nana. Whatever the table name you want to give, you give here, click on edit. See, like this. At a time, see here we have a new entries. No, you can click on multiple thing. At a time you can create a multiple values, Nana. At a time you can create a multiple entries like this. See, here we have a father name, Nana. See, here we have a father name. See, from where we are getting this father name? Nana. This father name we will get it from labels system. No, labels we are assigning now in domain level. Sorry, data element level. The labels, Nana. You remember the labels in data element? We are creating labels. No. See, if you go to SC11, your table. Go to your table, student ID. In the labels, Nana. In the labels, see here the father name. This name we are getting there, Nana. This name. So that is the reason we have to give a meaningful descriptions here. We have to give meaningful descriptions here. Now you go to SC30, SM30, give edit. Now you can create a multiple values, right, at a time. See, I can give 5003 name as some. Give you some names, guys. Some 20 gender, address as some Hyderabad, like this. We can enter at a time. See, we can enter at a time, Nana, at a time, like this. We can enter at a time. Give you some names, guys. This one is a female. Guys, you are following?
Yes, sir.
You are? Now click on see. Means at a time, I can enter multiple values at a time. Save, guys. Save. So the data got saved. See, the data will be here, guys. The data. If you want to change something, you can change directly here also. This is the screen layman's will be, end users will be using, guys. This is the screen. But you can delete from here also. See, I want to delete Praveen. You can click on this delete. Delete and save. These operations we can perform in TMG, guys. Now let's go to one more method, guys. Go to utilities, TMG. See, now let me delete this one, guys. Let me delete. Now I will select a two-step, guys. Now we will select two-step, okay? Two-step, find screen number and activate, guys. Guys, don't oftenly do delete, guys. See, when you are creating a TMG, make sure whether you want to create a single step or two-step. Be clear with that, guys. Okay, don't often delete this one step and two step. Don't change, because these programs are generated by SAP, guys, not by anyone. Okay. Now go back. See, after activation of this table, what we have to do? We have to activate our function group also. SC80. If you don't activate this function group, see, enter. Always activate your function group also, guys. Always activate your function group. Okay, if you don't activate, you'll get dumped. If you don't activate, you'll get dumped. See, now SM30. Now go to SM30. Nothing. See, guys, nothing. Any difference have you found in one step and two step? Any difference have you found in one step and two step? No, right? No. But when I am creating a new entries, whenever I'm creating a new entries, have you found any difference?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the new step, sorry, in the one step, in a one step we can enter multiple values, Nana. In a two step, at a time we can enter single value only, like this. 1005. This I will say as some Manisha, some 20 female. Okay, some address. This one. After this, you can click on next also. See, after entering one entry, you can click on next. See, like this, you can click on next. 100, I'll say 7. Okay, this one I'll say Ravi, some age is some 20. Same college, no? Same college, same means same age. Okay, some phone number, something I'll say delete. Save. Now you can enter one more record like this. One more record, 1008. This one I will say as Varun. Let's say Goa. Save. See, now data will be saved now. If you see the table, see, if you enter, like, see, these are the entries you have created, 5, 6, 8. If you go back, see, these are all the entries. These all are the entries we have created in TMG. I hope this concept is clear, everyone. Anyone, any doubts in this TMG? The questions they will ask is, what is TMG, Nana? First one is, why we have to create a TMG? Why we have to create a TMG, Nana? Because of end users. Because we can't give access. We can't give access for SC11, Nana. We can't give access to SC11 to the end users. Why we don't give this? They will delete also. Sometimes they will delete this field also. You know, they will do trial. They will play with the system, Nana. They will play with the system. They will do all the activities. So that is the reason they will not give access to SC11, Nana, to the end users. They will not give access. So TMG is designed for the end users. First one is TMG is used for design to end users. First one. In TMG, how is the process? We have to create a TMG, go to utilities, display, go to utilities, TMG. In the TMG, we have to give the table name and the authorization group. No. What is authorization group? They will ask you. Who and all group of users can access your table? See, function group, create a function group. This is the function group we have to activate in SC18 after activation. Give this one, select one step or two step. If you say one step or two step, they will ask you what is one step and what is two step. One step means at a time we can enter multiple values. In the two step means once one record only. After that we can move forward and we can do second entry like that. After saving, go back and go to SC80. This step is very, very important, Nana. What will happen if you don't activate your SC80? It will give dump. It will give dump, Nana. It will give dump. Why? Because that is the program, that is a system generated programs, right? SAP, these are the programs generated by SAP, not by we. See, after clicking on save, no, system is generating a program. So you have to activate that programs also. In SC80, see, let me show you the code. See how many function modes. See, this is, have you developed this code? Have you written this code? See, background, how much code SAP is writing for us. See, have you written this code, Nana? Who wrote this code? Who wrote this code? Who wrote this code? Anyone in the class?
Back.
SAP has written this code, Nana. That is the reason we have to activate this code. We just need to activate this code. See, after activation only, your TMG will get activated. If you don't activate this function group, see, function group is nothing but the whatever the name you are giving here, Nana. Whatever the name you are giving here, this is the name. See, to make you remember, I am giving the same name. You here you can use different name. Whatever the name you are giving here, you have to activate that name. That particular name you have to activate it here. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, fine. You please practice this TMG in tomorrow's class. In tomorrow's class, I will explain you a scenario in TMGs, and we will discuss some events on TMG, and we will move forward, guys. Okay, fine, guys. I'll break class for today's. If you have any doubts, please stay on the call. If no doubts, you can feel free to drop off, guys. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Agnivesh,
Yeah, please. Yeah,
If-
remaining
if
people,
we-
please feel free to drop off. Okay. Yeah.
if we add the new field name in the table,
Yeah.
will that goes to TMG? I mean, once TMG is generated, I will
No.
add new field table.
Okay.
Field, new
Remind
field
me
name
this
in the
question
table.
tomorrow. Remind me this question tomorrow. Tomorrow I will show you this.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any other doubts? Because TMG concept is not yet completed. Whatever the question you asked me today, that will be part of tomorrow's class.
Okay.
Okay, just I have introduced the TMG for you. Just I have introduced. Okay.